How many times have you found yourself staring at your fridge or your pantry and wondering what the heck are you making for dinner tonight? In today's video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on HelloFresh, a meal delivery service I recently decided to try. So let's cue up that intro and get busy. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Daisy, the hostess with the mostest, and welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just wanted to wish everyone out there a happy new year, and I hope you had a great holiday season. Like I said in my intro, I can't be the only one who has literally run out of ideas and recipes on what to make for dinner. So recently, I decided to give HelloFresh a try. HelloFresh is one of many meal delivery services you may have heard of. And in case you haven't, a meal delivery service is a company that sends you recipes and everything you need to make that recipe on a weekly basis. Our delivery arrived as scheduled in a large box that was packaged very well with dry ice and all environmentally friendly. Each recipe was bagged and clearly labeled with the meat for each at the bottom of the box. Each recipe comes with everything you'll need to prepare it, except for common staples that you probably already have, like salt, pepper, olive oil, and butter. They also send you large, easy-to-follow recipe cards with the ingredients on one side and step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the recipe on the other. Okay guys, so besides tonight's dinner, that's the chicken, sausage, and rigatoni, we also ordered the creamy chimichurri steak bowls. Man, that looks good, right? I think that's going to be tomorrow's dinner. And then on Friday or Saturday, we plan to make the Homestyle turkey and biscuit pot pie. As far as difficulty making the meals, if you have regular cooking skills, you should have no problem. Depending on the recipe, each meal took between 45 minutes to up to an hour to prepare. As far as taste goes, I have to say that as someone who knows her way around the kitchen and has been cooking and preparing my own recipes for years, we were pleasantly surprised at how good the meals tasted, all except for one, and it wasn't the meal, we just didn't dig the recipe and promptly took it off our list. I'll leave the recipes we ordered in the description box below in case you'd like to give them a try. We wanted to start slowly, so we chose a 4-person serving, 3 meals a week for 4 weeks. So a total of 12 recipes. And you can choose whatever day of the week you want your box to be delivered. Just remember that you have to go back every Sunday. Like we got our deliveries on, we chose Wednesday. So by the Sunday of the previous week, you have to go back online, log into your account, and choose the next set of recipes. Because if you don't, then they're going to send you what they think based on what the first meals you did were. They're going to send you what they think you're going to like. So we missed like 1 week where we forgot to go in and pick the meals. And what they sent us was pretty good. So they have plenty of options. They've got vegan, family-friendly, for you fish lovers. There's pescatarian menus. So there's tons of options. And like I said, we started slowly with just, 12 recipes for 4 weeks. So is it worth it? I say yes. If you love to cook and your problem is that you're running out of ideas of what to make every night, then this is okay. You get clear-cut instructions, everything is fresh and comes packaged for you, there's no guesswork, and you know exactly what you're making for dinner tonight, then I say go for it. If you can afford the delivery fees as well as the meals, because after the promo code, then it starts to get a little bit on the pricey side. But yeah, if your issue is just, hey, I don't know what the hell I'm making for dinner tonight, then by all means, I think this will solve your problem. Now, for me, even though I did enjoy the meals and everything tasted great, I'm not complaining about the meals, we still ran into the issue of who's cooking tonight. And if the issue in your house is not so much what am I making, but who's making it, then I gotta say that for me, it really didn't work. Because technically speaking, there's a saying in Spanish, I've done my coffee. Yeah, I've raised 5 children in this household. I've already done my cooking. We've got one daughter left, the nurse, daughter number 5, who's still living at home. And we run into this issue like, who's cooking, blah, blah, blah. And again, I'm not having it. There's another delivery program or another meal delivery service called Freshly. And I'm going to give them a try next because supposedly their meals already come fully cooked. You just have to stick it in the microwave and you're done. So again, I think it's worth it. If you still love cooking, but you're just running out of ideas, then yeah, by all means, if you can afford the delivery fees, then I say yes, go ahead and go for it. And the delivery fees do become pricey. I mean, even though they tell you you get 14 or 15 or whatever the promo is at the moment, free meals, they still charge you for the delivery. Now, the promo that's out there now, the first delivery is like, they give you like 60% off the delivery. And then for each subsequent week, the delivery discount gets less and less. Let me look at my notes, guys, because I put here exactly like, I put over here exactly what it ended up costing us. I put it in my notes because you know how I do. But I think we ended up spending, our first delivery was $47. Then the second week, it was $64.87. And then week 3 and 4 topped off at $80.86. So total for the 4 weeks in shipping cost, it cost us $274.43. And, for some households, that could be pricey. But then again, that was 12 meals, 4 weeks of food, not cooking 3 days a week, right? So I don't know about you, but I can easily, drop $300, at the ShopRite on a weekly basis and trust and believe, prices have gone up. So, hubby does the shopping on Thursday and very rarely is the bill anything less than $200. And that's just for 3 people living here. So, the deliveries I think can be a little bit pricey. So I don't really like the fact that they say you're getting 14 free meals, or I think today's promo, if you look online today, it's like 18 meals, but you got to count the fact that they're going to charge you the delivery. And then going forward, it's going to be the meals plus the delivery fee. So again, if you can afford it and, you're running out of ideas on what to make for dinner, I think, yes, this is pretty much worth it. But again, I'm looking for not cooking at all, which is why I'm going to give the other one, what did I say it was called? Freshly, right? Freshly, the meals arrive fully cooked and everything that you need, that you pop right into the microwave and dinner is served. So I'll be trying that next. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the information if you're considering giving HelloFresh a try. And I'll see you on the next episode of Daisy's World. Ciao.